Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're trying strawberry gummy candy, fruity and soft from Japan. Nice.
They look like strawberries.
Try these. They don't actually look like strawberries, just the bad things that. Yeah, those don't look like strawberries. Okay, so this is what the pack thing looks like. And it's pink. Like, strawberries are kind of Japan, so I can't read
Japanese.
that. Japanese, so I can't read that.
What does it look
That's
like?
the actual candy. Gummy thing.
What does it smell like?
Oh! That smells really weird. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh, I think because my eyeballs are thick.
What's the taste like?
Looks like, for me, it's sour, but gummy-ish. And like, it kind of tastes a little weird, but good. On the other hand, so that's good.
What do you think, Trenton?
It tastes like a strawberry.
Thumbs up. So you'd eat these again?
Yeah, I would. I would probably eat them for everyday snack. Bye.